Hey, good to see you. Today I'll be making Asian barbecue pork over rice. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to add some oil to my pan. This is vegetable oil I'm using. Just want to coat the bottom of my pan pretty much. And here I have some chopped pork. You can buy it in the store chopped, or you can, buy a chunk of it, or buy a pork roast, and just chop it up yourself. Gonna add our pork in. Ooh, slow down, slow down. Calm down. Oh, excuse me. Let me wipe this up a little. Okay. To that, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add some white pepper. I can just shake some. Ooh, that came out heavy. It's going to be a little spicy. We're just going to let this cook up. Okay, I'll let that brown up. I'm going to take this out of the pan. Set it aside. See how the bottom is nice and brown? We're going to keep that. Yeah, we're going to keep that flavor. We love our flavors, right? Right. Yum, yum. Okay, this may splatter a little bit, so you might want to stand that. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit to release these flavorings on the bottom. That's hard. Be careful. See, I just wanted to release the flavors, and they're coming loose. Oh, yeah. And this is what's going to start our barbecue sauce. So we're going to turn that down low. Sit there. Really low. We don't want it to burn and stick again, but we want to keep it going. We want to keep the pan warm. I turned it all the way down to 1. What we're going to do over here is we're going to blend our onions, and I have about a half an onion chopped up here that you can see. Put it on in there. And I have 3 nice sized buds of garlic. This thing must be lopsided. 1, 2, 3, and I have a little piece of ginger because ginger is really strong. If you've used it before, I'm sure you know that. I'm going to add a little bit of water in here. Just a little bit. Pretty good. That smells so good. We're going to turn this pan back up because it's cooled down a little bit. Ooh, the sun is coming back out. It was pretty cloudy just a few minutes ago. Let's see. Let's put that in our pan. We got a whole butt of garlic here, didn't we? Let's see. Somewhere. That's fine. We'll just... Yum. Going. Can you see? Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. It's really good. And sweet. So I have some soy sauce. I don't really measure, but I'm going to give it a good try. I don't know what this is. This is about, I don't know, about 4 tablespoons. Give or take. You didn't see that. No, you didn't. No, you didn't see that. That is so good. I'm going to add a little more though. And I have here some teriyaki sauce. I'm going to add some of that. If you could taste that. That's really delicious already. Put the rest of that in there. And I have some sesame. Now you know how the sesame is. You want to be really careful and add just a little bit, about a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. That's good right there. Let me taste it. Alright. And here we have some brown sugar. So let's add some of that in here. That was about 2 tablespoons. Let me give it a little more. Let's stir it and taste it. Stir and taste. Taste it. Oh, jeez. We'll see. Accidents do happen. Let me see. going to cover this and let this simmer for about 10 or 12 minutes. Let those flavors just marinate. Come together and love on one another and make something simply spectacular. I'm trying to think of a word. Let's just let this do its thing for a minute. A few minutes. Oh yeah, see how it's thickening up? But we have one more ingredient to add into here. Let me taste it again though. Remember to taste and add whatever you think it needs more of. That's good. So I have some honey. Just gonna add some honey. And you'll add a little. You'll add some, and then you'll mix and taste. Brown sugar and honey. Can't go wrong with that. But you don't want it to be super sweet. You want it to have sweetness, but not be sugary sweet. You know what I mean? I'm gonna add some more. And then we're gonna let it cook for about 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna add our pork in. Have it down pretty low. Taste. And I think we're there. 5 more minutes. Okay. Now it's gotten nice and thick. And I'm going to show you how to check for readiness or thickness. See that spoon? And you can run your finger down like that, and it doesn't run back together, then you know it's thick enough. Let's add some of the pork back into here. Just going to use my hands. There we go. You just keep stirring because you want every little piece to be coated and well. And I have it on a very low setting. Keep tasting it because it tastes so good. Gonna cover, turn it on 2, and let it go for just a few minutes though. I think we're ready now. Yeah. Okie doke. Got some white rice here, and we're just going to add some of our barbecue, Asian barbecue pork onto this rice. It tastes yummy. Yes, it does. I think you'll like it. I really, really do. Get up here. I know that's a hearty plate right there. That's enough for 2. Or not. I think I've tasted it about 20 times. It tastes good. That's why. And I have some sesame seeds that I've toasted. Just gonna add a little bit to the top. Optional. You don't have to. Just kind of makes it pretty and gives it a pop of flavor. They have a little snap to them. And of course we have to have some green onions. A few of them over top. And there you have it. Asian barbecue pork. That smells good. Let you see. I hope you have a good meal. Sorry if you don't. Doing the best that I can do. Yum. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. And remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you. Comment, share with friends and family. I would love to hear from you sometime. Let me know what you think. Until next time, eat well, be well, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Blue. Love you. I really do. Later. Let you see one more time so you can decide. Should I make some of this? Should I? Yeah, I think I will.